The government of Jamaica and the government of the People's Republic of China are funding the construction of the Western Children and Adolescent Hospital. In this year's estimates of expenditure, an estimated $83 million has been set aside to continue with the construction. Construction work for the Western Children and Adolescent Hospital, located just behind the Cornwall Regional Hospital in Montego Bay, St. James, started in 2017. The plan is to construct a 220-bed facility. When completed, it will be the first of its kind in the English-speaking Caribbean. Phase 1 was already completed, and now they are progressing with Phase 2, hopefully this year.